What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It is day 3 of like the move-in vlog series, but today I am currently sitting outside the Home Depot because we will be painting my dressers. Yes, but I promise if you stick around, wait. Welcome back to another episode of My Life Unscripted with zero regrets. Cue the music! So I'm not going to take you guys into the Home Depot today because I took y'all the other day and I felt like I kind of held y'all hostage. I'm going to attempt to grab all of the stuff that I need from Home Depot, but if it's looking a little too expensive, we go run by the Dollar General and we go run by the Dollar Tree, because the goal is to what? Save money. Exactly. So even if that means that I can't get all that I need out of this store and I gotta run across the street to Dollar General to grab the rest of my items, I'm okay with that. And if I feel like it's too expensive at the Dollar General and I can get it cheap at the Dollar Tree, then I'm gonna go to the Dollar Tree too. Yes. I made it to my apartment. I did end up going by Dollar General to get the broom and dustpan for the garage because I don't know what Home Depot was on, but I was not about to pay $20 for a broom that I wasn't going to keep that long. I got the paints for the dresser. I got some more brush sets and stuff to actually like paint with. I just got a lot of stuff that I got to get into the house. So I'm going to come back to y'all once I'm in the house. Okay, so we finally made it into the apartment. And baby, them stairs is killing me. Like, within this year, I know I'm gonna be in shape. I'm gonna just start wearing my waist cincher, because going up and down 3 stories, whew, my calves are on fire. But that's not why y'all are here. Y'all are here because we are painting the dressers today. We are painting the dressers. We are painting the dressers. We are painting the dressers today. But before we paint the dressers, I'm going to go ahead downstairs and sweep out the garage because I don't think I showed y'all. Wait, I'll show y'all. Just watch. Okay, y'all, so this is my garage unit that I am renting from my apartment complex, but I'm using it as a storage area because when I looked online to get me like a storage unit at one of the other storage places, they wanted a lot of money. Seeing as I came from paying, I think I was paying like 30 something bucks a month, if that, for like a nice little small storage unit that would fit all my stuff comfortably, to come up here and they want like $120 something, and that's with a Memorial Day sale. So after that whole like terms and conditions is over, it's gonna go back to regular price. I'll pass. I only had to pay an extra $100 on top of my rent for this, and I have more than enough space. And on top of that, I do not have to put my deep freezer on my balcony, which I would have had to done previously had I gotten a storage unit from like one of the other storage places. But in this garage, it has a plug, so I'm able to plug my deep freezer up in my garage on top of storage. I'll take it. So the storage unit have like spiders and spider webs, and they even have a trail of ants. I know some of y'all was like, I wouldn't get that. Like, I just went and got a broom and I got some bug stuff to set out, because $100 for all of the space, you can't beat that. All right, guys, so I already got one side of the garage done. I went ahead and swept from top to bottom, getting as many cobwebs out as I could, and I booby trapped everything. And I also got mothballs when I was at Home Depot, because they said mothballs will deter any pests from coming in the future, and any ones that's already in here, it will kind of draw them out. And seeing as I had the traps around, you know, yeah, I hope it all works together for my good. But I still got to sweep down this side. I don't know what the other person had going on, but it's like that dust dirt that as you're sweeping, it's like bellowing. Yeah, so that's what I've been fighting. And my light bulb don't work, so I'm gonna have to get my boyfriend to change that. Not this weekend, because we going to Charlotte to the R&B Mimosa Fest. So make sure y'all be on the lookout for that vlog. Okay, we are finally out of that hot behind garage and back into the apartment, and that ceiling fan that's on right now feels amazing. Okay, and the second floor and the first floor, their apartment don't have ceiling fans. And I know y'all probably like, girl, you just could have got a box fan. Like, y'all will never understand the nostalgia of having a ceiling fan, because this day and age, they don't give you lights, let alone ceiling fans. So that's why I chose the third floor apartment. And it has vaulted ceilings, which this is the only part of the ceiling that's actually vaulted. But it's okay, I'll take it. It's very cute. I like it. Okay, so I got all of the handles taken off, all of the dressers, and I really was going to buy handles, but now I think I'm just going to spray paint them. What color, I'm not sure yet. So, and then I also have to get some caulk to plug like all the holes in here. I really have a dope DIY project for this area. This is a first DIY for me to actually sit down and paint some furniture. So I think I've done all that I'm going to do today. I finished painting the dressers. I wasn't able to capture it like I wanted it to, because I don't have any lights in my room, and I was operating off of my ring light, which kept dying, so I had to keep swapping those out. It was a lot, but when I come in the morning, I will definitely show y'all like the final product, because I was able to get 2 coats on everything, so it should be good to go come tomorrow morning. Good morning, everyone. We are back for day 4, I think. Like, trying to keep up with the days is a lot, because moving in has been a lot. But either way, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining us, welcome. And if it is not, welcome back. So as promised for today, I will be showing you all the finished product of the dresser set that I painted yesterday. I'm proud of myself. Let me just, because this is my first like real big DIY project, and I was a little nervous. Like, I have a great eye for creativity. I don't know, it was just something about painting like furniture, like something so big that's gonna be in a space where everybody can see it, and I don't know. I guess like self-consciousness got to me or whatever. But either way, I told y'all I'm a yapper, so I'm sorry. I'm working on it. Without further ado, el bedroom set. I don't know where it's at. It's somewhere around here. But I bought like a green paint in the same brand for, it's like a dark green for the handles. I may not be able to use it on the, on these corner pieces that goes right here, because if it end up being the same color green, then it'll just blend into each other. And that's not what I want, so. Let's head outside to the balcony so we can set up and get ready to paint these handles so they can dry while, you know, I do other stuff, because I still gotta, y'all see a part of the mess, I still gotta get that under control. Yeah. Okay, so I gave the handles a lot of time to dry, because I was in the house trying to get the TV set up. I got the kitchen unpacked. I was just doing stuff, but I still need to spray paint the corner pieces. So this is how the handles are looking, which is a pretty green color.